Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here for the Hamster Daily Cipher and then the mini game for today or anything or yesterday, anyhow you want to call it. Just the latest one, okay? And what is the word for today? So the word for today is income. Income. M-O-A. E. Okay? So we are spelling income. So without wasting time, let's consult our chat board. Okay, so the first letter in income is letter I. So, and it is very easy. This is letter I. Double dot, tap, tap. So you just tap 2 times in your phone. Dot, you just tap, bam, bam on your phone, okay? So let's do that. 1, 2. So that's how we get dot, okay? And then letter I has been activated. So we move on to the next letter, and that is letter N. Letter N, and this is letter N. And how do you spell it? Dash dot. Dash dot. You spell dash by holding a little bit longer, then release. Like you want to paste message. Just 2-3 seconds, then you release. Y dot is you tap in front of your phone. So let's do that. Dash dot. Okay, so what is the next letter? Letter C. Income. Letter C. Letter C. And this is letter C. So dash dot dash dot. Okay, so as usual, dash is holding a little bit longer, releasing, then you tap on your phone, then hold a little bit longer, release, then you tap on your phone. Dash dot dash. Dash dot dash dot. Okay, so letter C has been activated. Please, if you are just joining us, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification, okay? Your subscription encourages us. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. It's just that so that once I do a video like this, you will get the notification. So we are going to letter O. And this is letter O. Letter O is triple dash. So you hold, you release, you hold, you release, you hold, you release 3 times. Okay, let's do that. Hold, release, hold, release, hold, release. So that is letter O. The next is letter M. Letter M. And how do you spell letter M? Just 2 dashes. Okay? 2 dashes. Okay? So let's go and do that. So hold, release, hold, release. And we have letter M. And then the last but not the least, the simplest letter in the Morse code, letter E. Just 1 tap on your phone and that's all. Just 1 tap on your phone. Just bam. And that is all. So we have our income. So we take the price. Take the price. And there we are. So the next. So the next is the mini game. Okay? So let's go and do it. So I'll click on it. And then I'll click on play. Okay, so we'll go like this. I'll go like this. I'll go like this. 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 Okay. This. And then you have done that. Okay. So I hope that you get this and I hope that you do it very well. Okay. I will see you in the evening time when the next game the next cipher code will come out and the next key will come out. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye.